Hello all, welcome back. In last few videos, we have been talking on human and materialistic objects on Earth. So I thought let's talk something different today. Astronauts had recently found that a strange object is moving through the space. It's not a comet because a comet-like object travels in a direct line. This strange object moves so fast which shows that it has not originated from our own solar system. So what is it? And why is it here? Is it that a life from another galaxy entered our solar system? If so, is that an intelligent alien for space? Or an evil one with laser guns? This has been a subject of fiction for over a century, and we have been looking forward to get a contact with these aliens. In 1977, NASA launched 2 spacecrafts, each containing a phonograph record of voice and images of life on Earth. They were heading towards an unknown space with a speed of 2 years light speed distance. NASA expected that if an advanced civilization with a capacity to play this finds it, they will find a mix of voice and images, sound of wind and waves, music in 59 languages, including the sound of US President and UN Secretary. NASA hopes that with this, aliens will know what humanity has to offer, which may lead them to contact us. Our research on extra-solid planets in galaxies beyond our own had found many planets which are habitable, but there has been no evidence found so far. Our scientist team is more concentrating on Mars now. Upon testing the soil samples from Mars, there is ample evidence that there was water and life there. Finding evidence like fossils give first glimpse of extraterrestrial life there. What if something still exists there, a kind of microorganism? Because many species on Earth, once cracked out of the shell, lives for hundreds and millions of years in multiple extensions. A program is under development to get the soil samples from Mars, and that is expected to return by 2032. But getting a live sample of a Mars would be possible only by sending a manned machine to Mars. Even if we do so, there is a major part of risk included in it, because we don't know what kind of organism exists there, and if we bring it to Earth, it may come along with a pack of pathogen. So even if we find some creatures like that, it's likely we may leave it there because of safety reasons. But what happens if aliens come looking for us? Do we have a plan? Private astronomy firms are making a controversial study on this subject to know whether aliens exist. But the most challenging thing is that in what form they exist. Whether it is an alien species that is intelligent enough to study the planets and communicate in a language we can understand. Far more likely that aliens would know about our planet and will be communicating in a language which we cannot translate. In 1990, scientists developed a protocol to share the findings on this subject between the countries. In 1997, scientists picked fossil bomb signal. It may be possibly a contact from aliens, but government didn't respond to it. So what would government do if they have to confirm that aliens exist? So again, the question is, what happens if aliens find our planet first? Are we ready to meet them? How would man react to it? Will we turn panic? Or do we have an organized plan? If it so happens, they will be dictating the terms of introduction, and we can't predict whether they are friendly aliens or a harsher ones. City Committee have developed a protocol plan for the first contact. It says, make sure that it's of intelligent origin. Communicate the finding with other nations. Inform the rest of the astronomical community. The discovering party makes a public announcement. The data is released to the scientific community. Any electromagnetic signals are shared with the authorities. No one makes direct contact individually. This would be a logical or an orderly way of approach, but how far it would work? A friendly civilization can be here for exploration or out of scientific curiosity. But a harsher civilization wouldn't give an upfront notice. In such case, can humanity win a war with aliens? Of course, humans have superpower weapons, but they are all designed to combat on Earth. And an alien civilization who has the ability to travel this distance beyond their galaxy will be having superior weapons stronger than us. So for us, likely to win is very far. So how do we face a friendly civilization? The biggest challenge they will be facing is to getting through our security, because most of the countries have air defense system that would attack a vessel entering their space. So the best way for the aliens to have a peaceful landing will be to land in Antarctica and to make their first contact with penguins. And if aliens make their first peaceful contact with humanity, for sure it's gonna affect every part of the society. So now let's look how it affects each particular segment of the society. The first question raises in religion. A major part of the people believe that God created man in God's own image. Upon arrival of an intelligent species from an unknown world, will throw this concept into doubt. Too many questions upon faith. So there are chances that many may leave the faith seeking answers elsewhere. And there is also chance that the presence of aliens can be seen as a test of faith by God. And it can also happen that the people sprang around alien visitors, seeing them as a superpower sent from the sky. Or maybe it will not affect the religion at all. Religious leaders may conduct speeches to spread the words of God among their alien friends. In Quran, Prophet Muhammad spoke of other brothers God has made on another world. So possibly religion wouldn't be bothered by arrival of aliens. Now let's see on the political side. With the arrival of aliens, it would make major changes in the governments all around the world. We would see a closer cooperation and all political groups would be trying to make a good new impression to the new aliens. How about nations who are in the middle of war? Will they be using this alien superpower against their enemy countries? If aliens have advanced technology or weapon, all countries will be trying to get their hands on them before anyone else. And the segment which will be mostly affected by the arrival of aliens would be legal issues. Because every law on earth is made for human and earth-based animals. So what rights would aliens have here? Which law will protect them? Will they be considered as visitors or invaders? It's a big question. And no sector will be as busy as media. If it happens, that would be the biggest news in human history. And all channels and studios will come up with their own fictionalized version of aliens. And all will be running behind to get the first interview with them. And that would be a major challenge for all journalists. And once aliens make a contact with humanity, they're gonna take a massive celebrity status. Any contact with alien by a person would be published as a social status. So assuming all this, aliens gonna make a market game changer like never seen before. So are you ready to meet an alien? Be prepared, it's coming soon. Thanks for watching, take care and bye-bye.